Want to switch to a darker, more eye-friendly theme on BlueSky? Let me show you how to turn on dark mode in just a few steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on dark mode in BlueSky Social app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the BlueSky app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. Here, tap on the Settings option. Now scroll through the Settings menu and look for an option that says Appearance. This is where you can adjust how BlueSky looks. Tap on the Appearance option. In the Theme or Appearance section, you'll see an option for Dim mode or Dark mode. Tap on Dark mode to enable it. Once selected, BlueSky will switch to a darker theme, making it easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Enjoy your new look. And that's it, you've successfully enabled dark mode on BlueSky. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first to know when a new video drops.